Hello guys, in this tutorial I will teach you alter command. So let's start. What is alter command? With alter command we can add new column to existing table. We can drop existing column of the table, or we can modify the existing column. So what does modification means? In modification we can change the data type of the existing column, or we can change the data size of the existing column, or we can put some constraint or can drop some constraint from the column. So let's start. We have already created one table, describe student table we have already created. So let us suppose first we want to add new column, alter table student. So I'll write add the new column name. For example, new column is CNIC, and data type, suppose number is the data type. And if we want to put some constraint, so you can also write constraint name, but if we don't need any constraint, so you can put semicolon and can execute directly command. So let's describe student CNIC. New column is now added. Now I want to modify the existing column using alter command. So I have many options. For example, I want to change the data type of the column CNIC. So how can I do that? So alter table student, modify column name CNIC, suppose CNIC, and the new data type name. Or if the existing data type is also varchar2, and you need only to modify the size, so you can again write varchar2 and in bracket the new data size length. So table is altered. Now I want to describe student. Now you can see the data type of CNIC is now varchar2. If you want to drop the column, so I can write alter table student drop column. With when you want to drop any column, so you will write here the word column, drop column CNIC. Now you can see the table is now altered and the column CNIC is now dropped. So three things we have covered already: add column, modify column, and drop column. So what else can we do with the alter command? With the alter command we can also put some constraint or drop some constraint. For example, I want to drop the primary key, so I will write alter table student drop modify drop primary key. Primary key will be now drop. Or now if I want to alter it again and add primary key again, so I can do that. Alter table student add so modify student ID and primary key. If you want to add new column and put constraint on that column, so we will not modify it, but we will write add alter table student add student ID primary key. But here we are modifying the existing column and put constraint primary key on that. So modify student ID primary key. Now the table is altered. So you can drop primary key, you can put it again, you can put constraint, you can drop constraint using alter command, and with alter command you can also rename the column. So how can I do that? Let's see. Alter table student rename word is used to rename a column. Which column? Rename column contact number to contact. Now the contact number will be renamed to contact. Now describe student. You can see there is some change. Contact is now the new column after renaming contact number, and you can see. Thank you so much for listening my video today.